welcome back to my channel. I'm joined here again by my siblings. You guys remember them from Siblings React and from other videos that we've done. Today we're going to be doing another baking video. These are not like super highly requested on my channel, but you know, like we're bored, so we're going to bake, and we really want to make these because they look like our favorite food, which are beignets, or as I personally prefer to call them beignets. So we're going to be making these lemon shortbread cookies. They're super cool and super fun and easy. They're from Trader Joe's, obviously not sponsored, but we just want to make these. So obviously the recipe will be in the link in the description, and the link to get the shortbread and everything, all the ingredients, everything will be in the description if you want to follow along and bake it yourself. But I would recommend that you go to Trader Joe's and pick up a box of this. Once you're done watching the video at your local Trader Joe's, just go to your local Trader Joe's, just in the car, drive to your local Trader Joe's, pick up a box of this because it's going to be tasty. You guys ready to make these? Yes! Okay, cool. So let's get go get our ingredients. Okay, so now that we have our ingredients, we're going to go ahead and get started. That's it. The first thing we're going to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then we're going to spray. Wait, we don't have to spray the baking pan until we're ready to. Should we spray it now?
No, who does that? What's wrong?
They do that, clearly. The professional bakers.
So you spray the oven when you're ready to put the pan in.
Okay, so since we're not going to be spraying the baking tin, my bad, empty contents of Crust Packet into bowl of an electric mixer. We need an electric mixer?
We have an electric mixer.
No one said we needed an electric mixer.
Just get it.
I'm scared of electric mixers.
Why?
Because, like, you know, I heard that someone's fingers got cut off with using an electric mixer. And ever since that day, I'm permanently shook. This appears to be one Crust Packet. There are 2 Crust Packets, so we can make it again.
So this is actually film.
No. What? Oh, it is?
It says film.
That must be the Crust Packet. That makes sense.
What is that?
That's the filling. So,
how do you know?
Because it says it. Okay.
Crust filling.
Got it.
Crust filling. And filling over.
Okay. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to put the Crust Packet into the bowl of an electric mixer and add softened butter. So we're going to go ahead and soften the butter, which is going to take a little while, and get the electric mixer ready.
Okay, so we gotta put the Crust Packet into the bowl. Should have cut it more. And then just mix it.
Yep. We just finished whisking some of the crust filling. Now we're going to put the melting butter into the electric mixer and remix so that it becomes like kind of like have a dough consistency. It's starting to come together. Okay, so now I'm going to bring out the coconut oil spray, also from Trader Joe's. Everything's from Trader Joe's, to be honest.
Yes, I'm pretty much everything from Trader Joe's.
Ha! My baking weapon.
Hazel, move aside.
The force is strong.
Okay. That thing's getting really old.
Okay. No, ew! That touched my hair!
What?
Ew! Let me wash it real quick.
No, just do this.
Okay, so it kind of came out super crumbly. We're not actually sure if this is how it's supposed to be, but we're gonna go with it. It's really dry. I might add more milk. And so basically we have to kind of pat it up the sides of the pan. Okay.
Sugar rush.
Well, there's no timer.
How are we supposed to bake it if it's not?
You kind of have to like pat it up.
How are we supposed to add that?
No, that's the filling. The filling goes once it's been patted on. My sleeves.
No, it says bake it until the edges are golden.
Yeah, we actually have to bake it first and then put the filling.
And then
While we're baking,
whisk it with lemon and eggs and lemon juice.
you prepare the filling. So I feel like the pan is too small, maybe?
The pan is too big.
Right, yeah.
I have no clue. It's too big because this won't bake anything.
Okay. We have no clue.
Okay, the pan is too big, but we're not gonna
Change it? We're just gonna go with it.
This is just gonna not bake anything.
Okay, so look at it. And we're gonna go throw it in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Okay, and now we're going to make the filling. So, the filling instructions, you read them.
Filling packet. Put it in there.
Gotcha.
So let's cut that open.
Let's bring it here. The filling packet is basically just sugar. A lot of sugar. Yeah, just sugar and salt.
Eggs. 3 eggs.
A very professional baker, guys. How professional bakers crack their eggs.
That is not how they crack.
Yes, it is.
The cracker is way bigger. Half a cup of
Agree to disagree.
lemon juice. We don't have lemon juice, so we're just gonna use lemonade. It's way better than that. Wow. I'm the only one in the video.
Did you drink it out of the cup?
No. Powdered sugar. I wish we had powdered sugar, but we don't have powdered sugar. So then whisk it. Then whisk it all together. So
Whatever. You know what I mean?
we need to go over here to do it.
Yes. So the filling is ready. The bars are in the oven, and so we're going to do a little cleaning while we wait. Cleaning is very important.
What do we need this for? Let me get the foods.
Sure.
I got it.
I want it to look like we're busy, but we're not.
We are actually.
Not that busy.
You are not busy.
You're just walking around. Okay, film it.
This is a very busy kitchen. It's very professional. Alrighty, so it just came out of the oven. This is what it looks like. A little scary, but we'll go with it. Okay. We're now going to pour the filling on top for all of it. Okay, it goes back in the oven now for about 25 minutes, and we'll see what the finished product is. Probably scary,
Horrendous.
but you know. Guys, we just took it out of the oven. First reveal. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see it.
Very scary.
Very scary. We're a little scared, but we're gonna try from the non-burnt edge of the pan.
This.
So let me get a knife, and I'm gonna cut us all a slice.
It looks super bad.
It probably tastes super bad. Let me get some forks.
Okay.
Ow. Mom, he does not need to go. He just went.
He just peed, Mommy. He's just circling around for circling around sake. I'm taking it out.
Judges. Let's have our very first taste. Mmm! That's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Very good. Very good.
Not scary at all.
Mm-mm. It just looks very scary.
It looks scary.
Tastes amazing.
Terrible, but tastes amazing. Wow. The filling.
Mm-hmm.
The filling is the bomb. That's good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to check some of our other videos out. They will be everywhere on the screen, so just make sure to check them out. And also, don't forget to comment below on other videos, ideas that you have for us, any videos that you would like us to do. Comment down below. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe. That's also very important. Really? You know what? The next video we guys are going to be doing is a challenge video. So stay tuned for that. See you guys next time. Bye. Bye.
Bye.